Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Apple Pay is active in Wallet so payments process smoothly. Once done, make sure your device and the Spotify app are updated. This avoids compatibility errors. Now open Spotify, tap your account, and navigate to manage subscription because that's where billing switches happen. You're beginning the change. Follow prompts and pick a plan. If you don't see Apple Pay yet, pause, check Wallet and regional settings before proceeding to the next step. Now you'll actually link Apple Pay as Spotify's payment method. First, select the subscription option you want, then choose Payment Method and tap Add or Change. This is where Apple Pay appears if supported in your country. Once you pick Apple Pay, authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This confirms the card and billing info stored in Wallet. After authorization, Spotify saves Apple Pay as the default. If it doesn't save, finish by confirming the subscription status inside Spotify. Look for active and check your email receipt so you know charges will appear correctly. If payment fails, double-check the wallet card is valid, set to the right billing address, and that region settings allow Apple Pay for Spotify. Sometimes the issue is permissions or an expired card. If problems persist, contact Spotify support and Apple support. Describe the error, include screenshots, and mention you authorized via Apple Pay so they can resolve billing conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.